welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wendy and I'm back with another tutorial. Today's tutorial is a hair tutorial. I teach you guys how to achieve this beautiful hairstyle right here, right here, right here. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Also, if you're new, welcome, 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 welcome home, welcome, 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 welcome. If you're an old savvy, you are welcome to join the family. So as you can see, I'll be using the Eco Styling Gel for this tutorial. I already sectioned my hair into 4 different parts. I did this because it will enable me have control over the hair and work the product into the individual sections. After I work the hair into the individual section, I pull everything in a ponytail. Okay. The reason why I put water onto my hair is to dampen the hair and to make it very easy to manage. And so you have to be able to work the styling gel into the hair, because the key to this hairstyle is the styling gel. Your hair has to soak the styling gel for it to be able to lie down flat. Flat, guys, flat. So as you can see, my hair is in a ponytail now. Everything has been pulled to the back. I'm using the American Silky Wrap Mousse Set to tame the untamed hairs. Okay, so this will allow all the hair, the excess hair, to lie down flat. I go in with some more to smoothen the edges and to allow the excess hair to lie down flat. I take my scrunchie and then I hold my hair. I secure the ponytail at the back. As you can see, I am laying my edges with a comb. You can actually lay your edges with either a toothbrush or a tail comb. But for this tutorial, I used a tail comb to lay my edges. So as you can see, this is the full ponytail I will
be attaching onto my hair. This ponytail has two combs, one in the front and one at the back. And then there's this extra hair that after you've inserted the combs, you wrap around your hair. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so this extra hair will help the hair emulate your own hairstyle to look like it's your own hair. So after that, I pin the hair with a bobby pin onto my hair. I pin the ponytail onto my hair using the bobby pin. Now we are done with the hairstyle and we are ready to rock and roll. So as you can clearly see, you can do shakara with this hair and this ponytail will still be intact, girl. Trust me.
Thank you so much for watching my video. This video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment and share with all your friends. Bye.